Hi. A few years ago, I had a fall. Nothing dramatic, luckily. I just went down, and the grazes on my face are the evidence that you can see in the photo. I also got to the stage where I couldn't even open a bottle of fizzy water. That was my wake-up call. I'm Karo, and this is my husband, Ant. We're both in our 70s, and we started this channel because we've been exactly where you might be right now, or you may have had similar experiences.
I'm a retired PE teacher with 40 years of experience. Simple, safe movement works, and that's what we do here every week.
Gentle exercises at home, seated or standing. No gym, no equipment, no pressure whatsoever from us. Just real movement for real everyday life. So you can carry on shopping, climbing your stairs, and keep doing the things you love. It's never too late to get stronger. We're living proof of that. So if you are ready to keep moving, subscribe, it's free, and come and join us. We'd love to have you.